The Weck EFx Shield Fascial Closure System from Teleflex. The EFx Shield System is engineered to address the challenge in obtaining consistent and uniform fascial closure, with the added benefits of the industry's only shielded design for enhanced sharps protection. The EFx Shield System's tapered body is designed for the closure of fascial defects, ranging from 10 mm to 15 mm while maintaining pneumoperitoneum. The multi-purpose suture retriever allows for quick and easy capture of the suture through the wing shields positioned 1 cm lateral to the defect midline. With these innovative features, the Weck EFx Shield System is an intuitive, innovative option for fascial closure. Discover the confidence and control of the Weck EFx Shield System.